Welcome back to One Life Cars, the channel where I teach you how to fix your car. Now, do you have a Ford Fiesta and perhaps your battery's dead and you need to get to it? Or maybe the washer fluid ran out and you need to top that up? Or you're low on coolant and it needs a bit more coolant? All these things require you to get under your bonnet, but some people don't know how to get under the bonnet. So in the most simple video I've done yet, I'm going to show you guys how to open the bonnet and get under it safely in the Ford Fiesta. Let's go. Right, first thing you want to do is look over to the passenger side of the car. Today's video is brought to you by Entrox. Entrox is the UK's leading inspirer of joy and happiness to our furry friends, making the lives of our dogs 1,000,000 times better, one paw at a time. Whether it's toys, dresses or wacky items to bring warmth to every room they set their paws in, Entrox has got you covered. So guys, click the link in the description below and enter code ONELIFE10 for 10% off your first order. And the next thing you want to do is look down to where your feet go and you will see a plastic lever here. Now this lever should have a little picture of a car with a bonnet sort of sticking up on it. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. So, first thing you're going to do is pull this lever so you feel and hear a reassuring, just like so. Next thing you're going to do is get out of the car and head round to the front to where the bonnet is. Now, we're at the front of the car as you can see, and you'll see that your bonnet has moved up a tiny bit, but it won't come all the way up. You should see a little tab sticking out like this with an arrow on it. Now sometimes it comes all the way out, sometimes they tuck back a bit and you have to sort of look under slightly. But look for the little tab just to the right of the Ford badge and pull it, and at the same time as pulling it, you're going to lift the bonnet up. Easier said than done with one hand. This is a two-handed job really. There we go. Now the bonnet's up, that's great, but it will fall on your head if you let go of it. So the next thing you're going to look for is this little rod here next to the coolant tank. And for those who don't know what the coolant tank is, it's the clear tank on the far left of the engine bay. Next to it is a little rod that you use. Get this rod and stick it into the two holes, just like so. And then you can let it back down on the rod, make sure it's secure before you let go of it. And that, guys, is how to open and secure your bonnet on the Ford Fiesta.